What's up, party people? My name's Benny Obscene, and today we're over at Orchid Euro doing my favorite thing, which is starting a new project before finishing the old ones. So you know how when you're a kid, everybody asks you, what do you want to be when you grow up? And you say like astronaut or president or something. I always said race car driver.
I want to go fast.
And like all those other things, the dream kind of fades away over the years as reality sets in. And motorsports isn't exactly accessible to anyone and everyone. But today that changes because over the last 10 years or so, a number of different racing series have come out and really gained a lot of popularity, and they're aimed at budget entries or low-cost wheel-to-wheel racing. So you've probably heard of like the 24 Hours of Lemons, and the new get out of it. There's Champcar, or there's Champcar, which is now Champcar. That's the one that we're targeting. Or it just makes race car driving, racing in general, accessible for regular people. And probably the best part is I've somehow managed to convince 3 of my good friends to do this with me.
Hey!
As this is going to be an endurance race event, and we've got 4 teammates. But today's task is get a quick look over of the car that we've purchased and see, you know, what's it need, how we're going to do this, and just get started. So, what did we buy? What is going to be our 2020 ultimate race vehicle? Ah! Prepare to be amazed. Yeah, we bought a Jetta, a diesel Jetta. So what's the actual plan? The plan is step 1, strip the car. Get everything out. Obviously, all of the interior, sound deadening, anything that can come out of this thing, we're pulling it out. Step 2, order the stuff. We need to get the roll cage tubing ordered. We need to get all of our various parts ordered, the suspension parts, clutch parts, whatever we need for the manual conversion. Get everything ordered because a lot of stuff takes a couple weeks to get in, especially if it's coming either from overseas or just places that are backed up from shipping due to COVID. So step 2, get everything ordered. Step 3, and hopefully kind of happening at the same time as step 2, is prep the engine. We're actually going to use a different TDI engine, one that we just know a little bit more about, and have in the warehouse kind of ready to go, but it needs a little bit of refreshing, buttoning up. So step 3 is get the power plant prepped, ready to drop in, so that once the chassis is ready, we can get the engine in, have the car running and driving more or less as quickly as possible. Because the next several steps after that, they're a little bit more difficult. There's the actual kind of suspension tuning, getting that set up comfortably, getting the engine tuning completed, get the power numbers where it needs to be, and then just, you know, making sure that all of the different safety accommodations are installed, working properly, and well, hopefully not tested the wrong way, but just get everything sorted out, get the car ready to go race. And then lastly, it was probably figure out some kind of livery, depending on if we pick up any sponsorships or what that looks like. Get the car finalized from an appearance and then do some shakedown runs, and hopefully all of those different steps occur well in advance of December and we'll be ready to go racing.
One eternity later.
It's a new day.
Wait, hang on. Oh, did you just record what I just said?
It's a new day. We're gonna strip this car. Let's get to work.
That was it?
That was it.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm gonna be your stripper today.
I thought we were gonna have more stripper jokes.
Okay.
Is this for your kids?
My kids are in this sometimes.
1 hour.
Spent about an hour and a half rapidly gutting the car, just fast and furious. Everything comes out, and we've made an awful big mess right here. What we're gonna do next is weigh everything, because we're all dying to know just like how much weight did we pull out of this Jetta in a little bit over an hour. So we're gonna get the scales out, get everything tallied up, and then we'll come back with the weight before we chuck everything in the dumpster.
They say you don't make money racing. That is complete BS because we got $1. Wait, it's not $1.27.
It's $1.57.
Guys, where's the money?
All right,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
$1.57.
You know what I'm saying?
$1.57. All right, there's a lot of competition about this. Yeah, so $500. Minus $157.
$4.98.
That's not $4.98.
$4.93.
Again, you're trying to steal, man.
Come on, dude.
$4.98.
Dude, little, like John DeLorean over there. You're gonna start.
You know, let me just take that.
handling the
Yes.
money.
Oh, no.
So
Put that somewhere
cocaine,
safe.
So,
Listen, guys, just I'm just gonna
Yeah.
put this in
Sit
here
down.
for a minute. I'm just gonna put this in here.
where the safe is.
And that was the last we ever saw of the $1.47.
23. And then we're at about
I would like an
350.
official.
Yeah, we need an official number,
I'd
dude.
like an official count, please.
All right. 22 and a half. 14, 23, 45. 20.
Where you are.
Let me try it again.
Dude,
to
you're
make
way
sure.
off.
You're like under three. Like,
Yeah, about 3 and change.
I said 400.
You said between
I
300
know. I
and
said I was just
500.
about 400, a little under, and we were 425. So I'm just gonna run through it again. Make sure.
This
we're
is
good.
important, dude. This is going on the
I
internet.
know it's going on the internet.
425.7 that I solo lifted out of this car completely on my own with no help at all in under an hour. Oh my God, that is so much weight, and that's really gonna help with.
Go home, farmer boy.
That's really gonna help with this hunker right here. One of the things we were worried about with the Jetta platform, obviously it's a heavy car as compared to like a Miata or an E30, for example. So I think we're in a good spot with our chosen power plant. We just pulled 400 plus pounds out of the car. I'm probably gonna go on a diet before the race as well, so we'll be even lighter. That's really gonna help. So now we're just tidying up. We're gonna push the car back. I think that's a wrap for today. So that's it for today. We've got more than 400 pounds out of the race car. A great start to the project. Up next, we've got to order a bunch of stuff, roll cage stuff, safety stuff, go fast parts, get the drivetrain going. So that'll all be on the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Brian. What?
Can I add a little?
Of course.
What sponsors did we get today?
Well, as a VP of sponsor relations,
German.
Jamie, what sponsors did we get today?
Who is the greatest race car seating manufacturer in the world?
Oh, that's easy.
Hey, we had to go high. Like,
Yeah.
what are we doing? We going like eBay? We
No,
going
no, 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 no,
Amazon?
no. Recaro, man.
Recaro. We have Recaro.
We have Recaro?
the head of Recaro Global Marketing has agreed to back the project.
A couple of Recaros would pull a premium week before race
Well,
wars.
two. They don't weigh much. We only need one.
Yeah, we only need one. You're right.
All right.
Okay,
So anyway,
never
we've got
mind.
Recaro. We've got Solar Works for suspension, but that's a whole
yeah.
nother episode.
Yes, yeah, we'll do a dedicated suspension episode with Solo Works. I can't wait for that Recaro seat to come in. Thank you so much, Recaro. And obviously, Orchid Euro. So if you need parts like this,
No, don't,
probably
don't
not
go,
these
don't
parts, but nice parts
If you want
from
any of these
Europe.
parts for free, come to the dumpster.
Rare, exotic Volkswagen, or just any car importation, OrchidEuro.com. Ask for Jamie. Tell him Ben sent you for a discount.
No, don't do that. Yo, this
Yes.
is like lounging. This is nice.
All right. Well, then we're going to lounge. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Ew.
What do you want to see us to do to the car? What do you think for a livery? What do you think for power options? Who should drive it first? Thank you. We'll see you next time.